everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you guys what I've been doing recently in the evenings during quarantine. So since we're in quarantine, I haven't been doing too much during the day or anything, but I just finished doing my work for the day and I did a workout and now I'm about to make some dinner. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make tonight for dinner. I'm actually really excited to make it. I haven't made this in a while, but I'll show you guys all the ingredients and how it's gonna turn out. So for tonight's dinner, I'm going to be making korma chicken. So for that, I just use this korma sauce that I get from the grocery store. I love the sauce. It tastes really good. I also love the butter chicken version too, but I haven't had korma in a while and it's just a little bit different than butter chicken and I thought I would change it up. So this is the sauce that I'm going to be using tonight. And then with that, I'm going to be cutting up 2 chicken breasts over here and then an onion as well. So I'm going to fry both of those in a frying pan, add the sauce, let that simmer. And then to go with it, I'm going to be making some basmati rice on the side. And then as well, I'm going to be making some naan bread. So I will show you guys how I make dinner for tonight. I finished chopping up the onion and the chicken, and now I'm just going to cook it in this pan. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in. I just use this extra virgin olive oil from President's Choice. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the pan, start cooking the onion, throw in the chicken, and let that get a little brown. And then once the chicken is cooked, then I'll throw in our korma sauce right here. So I'll show you guys how I make it. So here's how dinner turned out. I have a really big serving and I'm probably not going to finish this, but I'm really excited, and we just have some naan on the side. So yeah, that's how our korma turned out. I'm going to sit and enjoy this and I'll update you guys after dinner. We're back from the walk now. We just went for a quick little walk around like 2 kilometers just around the neighborhood, and it was really nice just to get outside. It's super nice and sunny out, and it was just nice to get some fresh air before we just relax for the rest of the night. So now we're just gonna watch some TV, just relax. I'm gonna get in my pajamas, and I'm actually gonna have a little brownie for dessert. So this is the recipe that I made on my previous video. It's the chickpea brownies, and they turned out really well. You can't even tell that there's chickpeas in them. I highly recommend it. So I'm just gonna enjoy this, watch a little bit of TV, and then I'll show you guys when I do my skincare routine in a little bit.
As more families turn to them for help, it may not be business as usual, but the more we look out for each other, the better we all will be.
Okay, so it's the end of the night. We just finished watching some TV and just relaxing on the couch, and now I'm gonna take my makeup off and get ready for bed. So I thought I would show you guys how I do that and what my skincare routine is. So I'm just gonna pull up my hair. I just brushed my teeth, so now I need to take all my makeup off and then wash my face and everything. So what I use to take off the base layer of my makeup are just these simple makeup wipes. So I just take one of those. I just take one of these and I just take off all my makeup that I had on during the day. I didn't have that much on today, but I did have some. So I'm just gonna take it all off. I really like these simple makeup wipes. I've been using them for years and I just think that they do a great job at taking off all your makeup and not making your face feel dry or anything afterwards, because I have very dry skin and that's something that I definitely look for in a product that doesn't dry out my skin too much. Okay, so now that all my makeup's off, to wash my face, I use this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I've been using this since high school, so a really, really long time now. And I absolutely love it. It's so gentle and it still hydrates my face and everything. And I have very sensitive skin, so I find that this is a great cleanser to just take off the rest of the makeup that the makeup wipe didn't get off. So I'm just gonna wash my face with that, and then I'll show you guys what I use after. Okay, so I just finished cleansing my face, and I find that sometimes I have leftover mascara under my eyes that I guess the makeup wipe just didn't get all of it off. So I just like to take a little cotton round, and then I use this Garnier Micellar Water, and I just put a little bit on the cotton round and just take any of the leftover makeup off of my eyes and my face that the makeup wipe didn't get, or the cleanser just didn't get off. And then sometimes if I don't feel like using the makeup wipes, or if I don't have any like at all like in my house, then I'll use this micellar water just to take off all my makeup at the beginning too, and I find that it does a really good job at taking makeup off. And then the next step I like to use is to kind of exfoliate and tone my face. So I use this Clinique clarifying lotion, and I find that this just does a really good job at getting any of the dead skin that's on my face still, because I have really dry skin. So it gets that off and it tones your face, and I just really like this. So I use this usually in the morning and at night right before I moisturize. So I just put a little bit of this on a cotton round, just a little bit, and then I just go over my face. So I usually use two moisturizers. One of them is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So this is one that I use in the summer when the weather isn't as cold out, so the weather's hotter out and my skin doesn't get as dry. So this one right now, since the weather is starting to get a little warmer out, I use this in the morning usually, but I still find I need more hydration in the evening right now because it is not too warm. It's only around like 10 degrees every day, but then it gets pretty cold at night still. So the moisturizer I've been loving this like throughout the winter has been the Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer. So this is from the Sephora collection, their clean line. So I love this. It's so hydrating. Throughout the winter I would use this morning and night because I definitely needed the hydration, but now that it is getting a little bit warmer out, I find I can get away with the Clinique one in the morning, but I still need to use this at night. But tonight my skin has just been feeling really dry recently. And since it was pretty cold out today and going on that walk, I feel like my skin is just really dry and flaky today. So what I do like to use a few times a week at night is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I absolutely love this mask for hydrating my skin. It's one of the best hydrating masks that I've ever found for my skin. I used it all winter. Some days I was using it every night as just a moisturizer, and I put on a pretty thick layer overnight, and then I use it as an overnight sleeping mask, and then I just wash it off in the morning. But I find that this does a great job at hydrating. I absolutely love Summer Fridays products. I have their Overtime mask, which I use a couple times a week. That's an exfoliating one. And then I also have an R&R mask. And that one also is an exfoliator too. So I don't use those ones as often as I use this one, but I love this one. So I'm going to be using this tonight because my skin is just feeling really dry. So I just like to take about this much. I just dot it around my face, and then I'm just gonna rub it in everywhere, just fully rub it in like a moisturizer. And I just love this. It smells so good, and it just really does a great job at hydrating my face. And my skin always just feels so hydrated and plump in the morning, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so now that that's all rubbed in, the last thing that I go in with is an eye cream. And the eye cream I've been using is the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream. So it's from the same Sephora collection, their clean line. And this just does a great job at hydrating my under eyes. I find that my under eyes get pretty dry. So I just take a little bit of this on my ring finger. Just close it up. And then I usually just kind of put it between my two ring fingers and then just dot it under my eyes. So that's everything that I do for my skincare routine, other than I put on the Laneige lip sleeping mask at night, but that's just in my bedroom. I don't have that in here, but I put that on every night and I find that it hydrates my lips really well. I love that stuff. I have the berry one, just the original, and then I also have the vanilla one. And I absolutely love them. I swear by them at night, and I even use them during the day when I'm at home. And I have the glowy bob one that they have that's meant for like the day in the little squeezy tube, and that one's the one I keep in my purse and I take with me day to day. But I absolutely love the lip sleeping mask at night, so I'll just put a little bit of that on before I go to sleep. So that's everything that I do for my skincare. My skin is feeling super hydrated and glowy from that face mask. I do have a few breakouts right now. Not really sure what's happening to my face right now, but I don't know. Not really sure, but that's all I really do for my skincare most nights, other than switching up a few different products. But yeah, I find that it's been really helping my dry skin, and I absolutely swear by all of those products that I showed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed the video and seeing what I get up to on most quarantine nights. Most of my nights look pretty much the same, just cooking dinner, relaxing, going for a walk. But I thought it'd be fun to show you guys and show you a recipe that I made, and then to also show you my skincare and all the products that I've been using recently and that I've been loving. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like the video so I know that you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I hope that you guys are having a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!